Welcome, quizzers and coaches, to the JBQ Quiz Talk podcast. Here's your host, Dan Anderson.
Boy, I bet you're ready for this one. If you have managed to slog through the first two videos in this series on loading your EZScore tablets, then you are a Bible quiz superhero. I just want to tell you that right now. Superhero. God bless you. Thank you for your passion. Let's get started because I think this might actually be the last one. Yeah, it's true. I'm not making this up. All right. So once again, we're going to go ahead and hit our 3 bars. No, we're not. Whoa. That's right. We're going to change things up. We're going to hit this box right here. This box is going to allow us to select the room. Okay. So unfortunately, the test database only has 1 room, but this is going to essentially look the same whether you have 10 rooms or you have 1 room. So you're going to say, okay, I want to set this tablet up for room number 1. And you're going to click on room number 1 and round 1. That's all there is. Change the match, it'll do that. Okay. Let's watch that again. This time we're going to go to round 2. Click on that. Change match. Actually, click on round 2. Change match. How do we know it worked? We're going to go right up here. This little box right here tells you and gives you a wealth of information. JBQ room number 1, round 2. And so if this was room 11, it would say room 11. And if you were in round 10, it would say 10. That's really all there is to it. And so if you want to know more about JBQ, there are some other videos, and I'll be updating some of those shortly, but there is some awesome training for scorekeepers. I suggest you watch them. They can be found at various locations. Make sure you can check my YouTube channel. They're probably there as well. But I want to thank you and really just tell you how much I appreciate all that you do for the Bible Quiz Ministry. God bless you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Dan Anderson. I am the Southeast Regional Junior Bible Quiz Coordinator, also U.S. missionary with the Assemblies of God Family Discipleship. So just give me a shout if you have any questions. God bless you. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.